How can I steal? The money they borrowed in that month is not up to 40% of what we lost. Because if you use, like I told them yesterday, I said, because I will use figure, you say, oh, it's this, let me use your own average. Because when you use a black market rate, they use the official rate. Sorry, I said everyone. For me, that rate doesn't exist. But in order to do the list yesterday, I said, okay, your own is 410, my own is 690. We put two of them together, it's 1,100. Divide it to 550. Let's use 550 as our average. Use it to go and multiply 2,445,000. You have 1,344,750, 344,750,000,000 naira. That's what we lost in 1 month. That's the crisis we face as a country. And nobody cares because it's official stealing. Navy will clear the ship to come. Because no ship can come into our territory without the hands of Navy. SSS, everybody's in there. They will clear it to come. But that is another day. Our debts are getting worse. I ask people who are in business, tell me how this business is surviving. If not that we are faking ourselves. First 4 months of this year, our total revenue was 1,630,000,000,000. First 4 months, from January to April 30th. Our total expenditure within the same period was 4,720,000,000,000. So we had a deficit of 3.1 trillion. And how is this business surviving? Because we're just printing money and sharing. Which is just empty. But that is by the way. That's not what we have. We are here for other things. And my solution, we are here to talk about the solution. Yesterday we were asked issue of restructuring. So some of you were there. First, somebody said to me, and I want everybody to go and watch that tape. Somebody said to me, well, that some other person was talking about restructuring. And I would have just said I concord with him and said, no, not like that. It's not about it. And I said, when a foundation is faulty, go and listen to me on that tape. Everything you're building on it is fake. We are all in it, but we also in our own part doing what we want to do. And I believe that it is what is not for the president. Because when people say, oh, president, I tell everybody, Pat knows that I tell him every day, and I tell everybody who is following me, it is when we win an election that we sit down, though he knows, I said to them, and the problem of Nigeria is that we come together, we agree, we shout, we do everything, then after election, everybody goes home. That is the problem. If we have come to the park and decided we need everything, that's what we lost in 1 month. Within that month, federal government borrowed money to solve this money. I said, further, if you don't understand, Israel is 22.2 square kilometers of land. Israel, 9 million people. 9 million. Total export last year was $59.8 billion. Almost 60 billion. We are 923. So even if we take 23 of our distance, give to Israel, we have 900,000 square kilometers. Take our population, cancel 10. We have 190. And they did more export than we did. I said, and you're telling me the way to fix dollar is to flog everybody? No, it's to put all these millions of people into production. You measure a country, not by measure. You measure a country not by measure or not by land, not by natural resources. You measure a country by the productive capacity of its population. And why is Nigerian population not productive? Because they have not invested in it. So when you do it, people say, oh, the man is taking too much time. He wants to do this. He wants to do that. So if you go here, they say, oh, he did this. All that I'm saying is that, and to do this, yesterday I said, what is federal government doing with the education?
Nothing.
There's no reason federal government should be involved. So these are my own. What I want to hear is that I want to, in this partnership, because I believe that what we are going to do with you is not support, it's partnership. In this partnership, let us start interaction and start discussing what is going to, what are your expectations, what we are going to do to make the society best. I don't know everything. I'm not a professor. So I won't even know what the professor knows. And I believe that any man who knows everything, I don't want to deal with the person. Then I believe that learning and living are inseparable. I want to learn every day. I want people to criticize me. I want people to tell me you're wrong and everything. I will sit down and agree, we're going to do this and we're going to do it. So it is not you who come and say, oh, we are supporting you. I want